Hey guys, let's say you want to hide courses on your homepage for whatever reason. In this case, I have these two courses here that I haven't quite started yet. I'm still on my semester A's, but these are the B's, and I just want to, get them off my homepage for the time being. So to do that, I'm going to come up here to Manage Courses, and I'm going to click View Delete Courses, and I'm just going to check off the two ones that I want to make disappear for now. Scroll down and hit close, and it's gonna refresh, and now they're not there. Now to make them reappear again, I just go back into it and I uncheck them, hit close again, and they're going to reappear. This is also good for if you have certain days like your Monday and Wednesday schedule and your Tuesday and Thursday schedule. If you want to differentiate them between the two, on the beginning of your Monday, let's say you want to just have your Monday and Wednesday courses showing, and then on Tuesday and Thursday you just want to have your Tuesday and Thursday courses showing. So it's a good way to do that.